All right, boys and girls, today we are going to practice rounding. This question says this problem says round to the 25 to the nearest 10. Well, what I like to do is I like to make a little hill, okay? And this hill, I like to put the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as it goes over the hill, I put 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, okay? Then I take 25 and I set it right in between, okay? And to round to the nearest 10, I am looking for my place value. The place value I'm rounding to is the tens, okay? So then what I do is I look to the neighboring number, 5, okay? 5, where does 5 go? Okay, so the way I remember how to round is I remember it by a rhyme. And the rhyme goes something like this. 4 less, let it rest. So this is the side where it will rest, okay? And the other side is 5 or more, raise the score, okay? Raise the score. So I'm looking at here at the 25. I see the 2 is in the tens place because that's what I need to round to, the tens place. So now I'm looking at that 5. Okay, the 5 falls under the 5 or more, so I raise the score. So that 2 is going to raise to a 3, and that 5 is going to become a 0. So 25 rounded to the nearest 10 is 30. Okay, let's try this in a problem. Here we have a problem that says, what is 836 rounded to the nearest 100? So I am going to highlight that. I'm going to highlight that. 836 to the nearest 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my little hill. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over the hill, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put that number right in the middle, 836. Now I am going to round to the nearest 100. So I'm looking for the hundreds place. I look at the number next to it to the right. I see that it is a 3. So what was the rhyme? 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, raise the score. And hold on, let me get back in this side. We're gonna 5 or more, we're gonna raise the score. Okay, so it is 4 or less, we're gonna let it rest. The 8 becomes stays, you're gonna let it rest, you're gonna leave it alone, everything else becomes a 0. So 836 rounded to the nearest 100 is 800. Okay, thank you, boys and girls. Enjoy, do your activities, and stay perfect today, tomorrow, and forever.